and you go where you wanna go. You get into your kayak, there's a little hole for you. You stick your legs in there, and then you float where you wanna float. Oh yeah, it's called a kayak. It's a good vehicle. It's gonna float you to where you want to float to. Yeah, yeah, floating in your kayak. Having such a good time. Oh yeah, floating on the water. All the fishes are underneath you. Look down at all the cute fishes. They're swimming and living their lives. You can wave to the fishes. Maybe the fishes will wave back at you. You're in your kayak. You got a good hole. You go right into the hole, and then you float.
Buy that one, roll it in the ocean, pick it up. Go buy some shells and dump them off for us, and we'll go get them.